Alright, welcome to the third part of Eggs Benedict, and this is actually the Hollandaise sauce. Now please forgive me if I've gotten that wrong, my apologies. But for that, you're going to need 4 eggs, or egg yolks, just the egg yolks. And what you're going to do is you're going to add yourself a tablespoon of lemon juice. Fresh lemon juice is preferred, and then you're going to stir this and mix it really good until it doubles in size. So So I got one here. It's a little bit of both. It's somewhat melted and quite a bit of softened in there as well. Now this is unsalted, as I stated a moment ago. And what you're going to do is you're going to actually use a double boiler method. We've got a little bit of steaming hot water here, but you don't want the eggs to touch it or to get too hot, because if you do, you're going to end up scrambling your eggs, and you really don't want to scramble the eggs. Now, using a double boiler method here, we're going to take the eggs that we have mixed really well, and we're going to stir in the half a cup of melted or softened butter, and we're going to bring them together and incorporate them over the double boiler. Now, it's important that your eggs don't actually touch the water inside. You're going to let the steam actually cook or help emulsify these ingredients together, or else you're going to actually scramble your eggs, and we're not looking for scrambled eggs. So we'll put that on there, keep mixing it, and I'll add a little bit of butter, and I'll keep mixing that. Like I said, be careful, you're not looking to scramble them. I guess the term is tempering the egg. You don't want to cook it. Just slowly keep adding that stuff in there until it becomes incorporated. You got to take it off the heat every now and then. Be careful, you don't want to scramble the eggs. So it's at this point when it's actually thickened up and gotten to a sauce that you like. You add in a little bit of salt, pinch of cayenne, and then you set that aside. Then we'll go to the next part.